In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the downstream oxygen sensor. This one will be for the left bank, also known as the front one, near the radiator on this Nissan Pathfinder. Let's get started. Let's unplug the downstream oxygen sensor on the front bank, and the connector for it is right here near this engine mount. You can see it has a white sheathing on the wire. You should be able to stick your hand up here, press on this tab. It should click. Sometimes they get stuck from sand and debris buildup. If it does get stuck, you can grab it with some pliers. Just be very gentle so you don't break the connector. I'm going to take a pocket screwdriver, try to pry this. That happens often too. The clips break, but at least now this can come off. There we go. Unplug this. Right here on the exhaust, you'll see the oxygen sensor. You can use either a 22mm wrench or an oxygen sensor socket. All right, let's see if we can break this free. Oh, that did break free, so that's good. Had to upgrade to a long breaker bar. Now you can unthread this, pull the wire down with you. And there it is. Now let's take this downstream oxygen sensor and thread it in. And let's get our socket over, finish tightening this up. Once you have your socket on it, go ahead and snug it up. All right, that's nice and tight. Get the socket off, let's plug it in. This right here is the plug for it. So grab the wire, slide it on, make sure it clicks. And that just did, so that's locked in. Perfect.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.